No. So today I want to make a slime activator. Okay, so that is really easy. So the first things you need small spoon. Wait, it's not this. Okay, then things this Daya or anything. Just like this. Yeah, I use a cereal. Okay. And then plain, not plain water, it just, and then it's just water, clear water, and then salt. Okay, so let's start it. So let's start it. So this is the first thing. Okay. Put inside here. You're not coming out. Just take it like this. Then this is the normal. Then this is so good. Yeah. So here is it. Okay, there's it. Where is it? Okay. Okay. So guys, ini dia aku punya slime acti. Kalian bisa lihat. Ini dia slime activator aku. Okay, ya. Very good. Just kalian caranya cuma kalian terserbu gitu kan, udahlah kalian letak air, udah letak garamnya, gaul sampai ini seperti. Kemudian ada tipe-tipe putihnya itu keluar kan. Kemudian kalian ambil yang penapis, terus kalian tapisin, masukkan ke piring kembali. Oke, so ini kejadiannya. Oke, ininya, so kalau percayalah ini adalah slime activator aku. Oke, so yeah, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, so bye. Thanks for watching. Oh iya, kalian jangan pikir aku penipu ya. Ini bukan air yang biasa. Ini adalah slime activator bener-bener ya. Okay, so please percaya kepada saya. Kalau kalian nggak percaya, kalian komen ya. Okay, bye.